Hello friends, I'm here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Here we solve questions from IIT JAM examination. So let's have a question for today's video. Match the entries in group 1 with that in group 2. Group 1, there is a names of the different tests is given. First one is Falling's test, another is Ninhadrin test, biurate reaction and nitroprusside reaction. So these are the different biochemical tests are given in group 1. In case of group 2, what is given? The alpha amino acid, reducing sugar, sulfahydryl group and peptide linkage. So these are the different groups against which these different tests can be performed. These are the tests to identify whether these groups are there in a chemical or what. Okay, so let's understand this, what are these tests and how these are performed to identify these groups. Okay, so starting our discussion with Falling's test. This is the first point given in our question. This is a test basically to detect the reducing sugar. What is reducing sugar? The sugar which is having hydroxyl group at its anomeric carbon atom. So to detect such sugar, Falling test is used. What do we do in Falling test? It has two solutions, solution A and solution B. So here solution A is a aqueous solution of copper sulfate and solution B is a alkaline potassium tartarate. So when we do the reaction, this copper sulfate get reduced by the presence of reducing sugar in the solution. Then its colors become from blue to red. So if this happens, then the isolated sugar, some of the sugar you must have isolated from some source, that is a reducing sugar, or when this is a negative test, the color doesn't changes, the sugar is a non-reducing sugar. So the Falling test is specific to identify the reducing sugar. Secondly, there is a Ninhadrin reaction. This is basically used to detect the amino acid, proteins and peptide. To understand whether the isolated solution has amino acid, protein or peptides is there. So we use Ninhadrin reaction. What happens in this reaction? This Ninhadrin reagent that reacts with alpha amino group of the amino acid. It reacts with the alpha amino group of the amino acid. Oxidative deamination takes place and it liberates ammonia, carbon dioxide, corresponding aldehyde, and it reduces the Ninhadrin reagent, that we get the reduced form of Ninhadrin. This is having a blue color. So this detects the amino acid, whether the amino acid is having alpha amino acid in it. Okay. Here proline is the amino acid which is having a cyclic structure. Okay. So that due to that structure, this proline doesn't give blue color in Ninhadrin reaction. It gives yellow color. Okay. So if the proline is there in a solution, then we get a yellow color for the Ninhadrin reaction. Next one is a biurate method. In this method, this biurate reagent which is having Cu2 plus ion that reacts with a peptide linkage present in a protein. Okay. So here I have shown the peptide linkage in a protein. These two amino acids are shown and this is a peptide bond. So this get reacted with the biurate reagent in case of this method. So this is used to detect the presence of protein in a sample. Whether the isolated sample is having a protein or not, this is detected using the biurate method. The Next one is a nitroprusside test. This is used to detect the thiol group in the protein. So thiol group is a SH group. Sulfahydryl group, we also call it as a sulfahydryl group. So to detect the sulfahydryl group or thiol group in a protein, we perform the nitroprusside test. When protein reacts with this nitroprusside, if it gives a red color, then it is detected that it is having some thiol group in its amino acid chain. So in all there are two amino acids which are having sulfur, okay, methionine and cysteine. This test is specific for cysteine. It is used to understand presence of cysteine. So the answer for this question is option C. Here Fehling test is for reducing sugar. Nein-Heyden reaction is there to have understand the alpha amino acid. Biuret reaction gives us idea about peptide linkage, and nitroprusside reaction is for sulfahydryl group. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Yes, now it's time to have a question for my next video. This is a 2-mark MCQ type of question from paper of Biotechnology 2018. So again, this is a match the column type of question. In group 1, the points given are proline, oxytocin, aspartame and penicillin. That is varying. This is a amino acid, this is a hormone, this is a, let's see what is that, and this is a antibiotic. And here in group 2, artificial sweetener, cyclic amino acid, beta lactam and peptide hormone. These 4 things are given. When we go for match the column, these questions become quite easy if you know 1 or 2 matches, right? So you can guess for other 2 matches. If you know 1 or 2 matches at least, then you come to know the answer for this question, right? So I think these are the questions that are quite easy to solve when we attempt for such a competitive examination. Okay, so we'll have discussion for this question in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.